Greetings from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Thursday, October 22, 2020. Here is our magnificent, incredibly elegant 1937 20-foot Lyman runabout that is all but fully preserved. Every bit of her was stripped to bare wood, that is inside and out, all components, all elements. All of her hardware was restored by Mickey Dupuy, DNS Custom Metal Restoration in Holyoke, Mass. Her engine was completely rebuilt by Robert Henkel, Peter Henkel Incorporated, in Marine City, Michigan. Her gauges by Shauna Whiting, Cochin Instruments in Casey, Minnesota. And those poor people have discovered that winter wonderlands come early in 2020. What a strange year. And what you see on top is an equally elegant mooring cover, designed and fabricated by Chris Hansen, Marine Canvas, Shelburne, Vermont. Joni Alden, Vital Signs and Screen Printing, Colchester, Vermont, executed the lettering to be identical to her original lettering. If you remember, this is a rather unusual Lyman. It is fabricated only with mahogany. All the strakes are mahogany, and that is from the oak keel, the only oak that we found on the boat, and all the way up to the gunnels. Even the interior framing is mahogany. What you see in front of you is her brand new Rayco tanks owned by Woody Boater gas tank. We had a rather terrifying experience when we rolled her out of the shop some weeks back, probably about 6 weeks ago, to do her initial land trial startup. Fortunately, we only put a couple of gallons of gasoline into the old tank. It seemed to be fine. It was all nicely painted. It was clean inside. Who were we to know that it was all its seams were rotted? It also was equipped with a bottom fuel filler, which now violates Coast Guard regs. So we worked with Rayco to redesign the tank. The basic dimensions are the same, but working with Brandon at Rayco, we repositioned the fuel pickup to the top of the tank so that the Coast Guard will be happy if and when it ever comes to inspect, to board and inspect the Eagle. We are hoping to complete her sea trial. But first, we've got to shoehorn a bunch of boats out of the shop so that we can install this tank, do all the final engine hookups, and then, again, pour a few gallons of gas into her brand new tank and fire her up here, and then we hope take her down to Lake Champlain for a sea trial. Our challenge there is that we've suffered horrific drought this year. It pales by comparison to what Maine has experienced. And the lake is now 2 feet low for this time of the year, and it's getting cold. So we are watching temperatures. We're hoping to get the tank in, the engine run, and a sea trial executed next week. We'll keep you abreast of those developments, and until then, ain't she pretty? Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.